Hey folks, Vic here with your weekly trade video for Friday, April the 9th, 2021. You know, we just found out today that one of our scalp service members is showing a 13 to 1 overall reward risk for his trading in just the past month alone. That's pretty amazing results. Now, this guy's a long time member, very experienced, okay, but this isn't a one-off. As I say, he's been with us for a long time, and he's shown consistent profitability throughout. Obviously, I love seeing this kind of performance, but let's be honest. I mean, these kind of results don't happen overnight. It takes time, to get to the kind of level where he's at. But what I love to see is other members moving in the right direction. And in this video, I want to show you trades that different members have taken, why they traded where they did. Okay, and you'll see that they all trade at significant levels that made sense to them. And I encourage everyone to use levels in a way that's most compatible for them. Okay, because for example, some traders are more aggressive, others are more conservative, and there's different ways to enter based on your own, your own personal profile. So these are trades from actual scalp service members from today, Friday, April the 9th, and you'll see how they entered and how the trades panned out. Okay. Hope you like this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate that. And be sure to subscribe to our channel. You can just click the subscribe button in the lower right corner of the video. All right, good enough. Here we go. Okay, so we'll start off on the British pound Japanese yen pair. The guy that took this actually took two trades today. So on my daily charts, I've got black lines that mark the daily support resistance levels, and you'll see a red line in here. Those are 4-hour levels that are sometimes used. Okay, so you can see this is very negative candle action, so we're looking for a rally back to sell. On the 4-hour chart, we use a concept called advanced market flow that Darko introduced to our members back in November of 2017, and really an effective way to determine trend without using any indicators, just price. Very, very effective. Anyway, the advanced market flow is down. He liked this level right here rather than the daily level. He liked the 4-hour level because it had good reactions around it. And on the 15-minute chart, this is what it looked like. It rallied up. He got filled right here. And what a nice move down there. He took a 2 to 1 reward risk out of that trade. On the British pound US dollar, he did a similar kind of a thing. It was another... here's the daily chart, very negative looking, just heading down, a pin bar here the prior day, and keeps going down. So what he saw on the 4-hour chart was the same advanced market flow heading down as it changed on to head to the downside here. And so he liked this 4-hour level right here. You see that? Really good level. And I'll show you, it's right on this candle. I'll show you on a 15-minute chart where he sold at, which is that 4-hour level, which was right here. Pretty good level. You can see even on the 15-minute chart how well it shows up. He sold it there, and that was the move down. He got his first profit target and then stopped out for break even on the next one. The next trade, like I cover 9 currency pairs when I do when I post my levels every day, but I encourage people, hey, look at other pairs. Apply the same methodology because it works the same on any pair. And this is what this fellow did. So on the daily chart, he's watching this level for support, but he's watching this level for resistance. See how it was really good support over here? Really went up like super strongly from there. Just something to keep an eye on. Okay, doesn't mean we're going to trade there. Well, on the 4-hour chart, what's happening? Well, price is going up and down and up and down. Look at how this level is holding. It's a very good level. And then it goes up, and then finally it breaks below it, and with this swing break, he sold it back up at this level here. That's where he liked to take that trade. And on the 15-minute chart, it looked like this. That's where he sold. Stopped, never even got close to being hit. Straight down. Really nice. He got a 2.5 to 1 reward risk out of that trade. The last trade was by one of our members who's been around a long time, very experienced. And this guy is like very good. He's the one that, when I mentioned in the intro, that has had a 13 to 1 reward risk in this past month alone. So he really knows what he's doing. So on the daily chart, this is a level of support. See how price stopped, and we had this pin bar right in here, nice pin bar, and then it goes up. and then it hits this level. Actually went a bit higher. You could actually adjust this up to here. That's fine. But he's looking at it coming back and seeing what happens when it retests this level. And on the 15-minute chart, he just went and bought it right there at that level. And the stop again never even got close, and it went straight up like that. And he took a 2-to-1 reward risk out of that one. So he's had amazing performance. The point of this is of all me showing everything is this. All of these traders used the basics of trading off of higher time frame levels of support resistance, every one of them. Okay, and we show you how to distinguish strong levels from weak ones. It's really important. And then they used levels that made sense to them, and they managed their trades in a way that made sense to them, especially in terms of taking profit, because we have really quite very objective protocols for what you do once you're in a trade and how to get the risk out of it. And after that, taking profit can be more subjective. And there's always going to be these slight differences. Okay, the important thing is to learn to walk before you run. You need to learn the basics first, and then because listen, becoming an independent thinker and trader is something I greatly encourage, but only after you've spent a lot of time on the basics. Okay, and the basics are what I teach, and it's obviously something that can be learned, as you can see by the trades that I just showed. So I just wanted you to see that Forex scalping is a learnable skill, and how these different members are picking up trades based on the basics that they've learned in our service. Okay? It's just great to see. And now the important thing is consistency. That's how that one member was able to achieve a 13-to-1 reward risk in just 1 month. Okay, he's not right all the time. Nobody is. And sometimes other people will be profitable but not you. Then other times you'll be profitable but maybe not somebody else. That's just trading. Okay, but if the methodology is sound, you just need to stick to your plan and focus on process and consistency. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you all have a great weekend, and we'll see you next week. Take care.